Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Google Chrome error message that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, that there's not enough memory to open this page. Try closing other tabs or programs to free up memory, followed by error code out of memory. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be if you have a bunch of tabs open, I recommend closing out of them or just restarting the whole web browser altogether, as well as closing any open applications you may have on your system as well. So I recommend just closing out of as many programs as possible and then relaunching the web browser, and then hopefully the issue has been resolved. If you're still having an issue, you may also want to check into extensions that may be enabled on your web browser. So we go back and open up Chrome, and we select the menu icon up at the top right, and you select extensions and then select manage extensions. If you have a lot of extensions that you don't really use in here, I'd recommend toggling them to the off position. You don't necessarily have to remove them, but you just want to turn them off and then see if that has allowed you to free up enough memory to then use the web browser properly. So that's something else I recommend taking a look into. And then something else we can try here as well would be to disable different startup programs that start up when our computer boots up. So if you don't need certain applications to run every time your computer turns on, while not necessarily disabling it or removing the programs in question, I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well. So you want to open up the search menu, type in msconfig, best match, or go back web system configuration. Go ahead and open that up, and then select the startup tab, and then select the hyperlink that says Open Task Manager. Now over here on the right, you can disable certain applications from starting up every time your computer turns on. Generally speaking, you can turn off pretty much everything in here. Certain things in here, like an antivirus, which anything decent wouldn't even let you turn it off in here. But besides that, you can usually turn off most applications in here. So if it says status enabled, you can just click on the program in question and select the disable one. So pretty straightforward, and once you're done making those selections, you will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So once you've made those changes, I'm going to go ahead and actually restart my computer here. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.